Games Workshop is up heavily this morning. The FTSE 250 company has signed a deal with Amazon to make films and TV programs based on Games Workshop's fantasy Warhammer franchise. Let's take a look at the share price chart because this really says it all. These are daily candles and you can see quite clearly this rise on the right-hand side here. No value's been attributed to the deal, which has been confirmed that Amazon will embark on certain developmental activities, according to the statement, such as holding talks with writers. Games Workshop made no changes to its financial forecast for the period to the end of May 2023 as a result of this, but it said the deal with Amazon was subject to contracts being agreed and that a further announcement will be made in due course. Now, for those that are very much into this, this is a really big deal. And the stock here has now risen, as you can see here, to levels not seen since the 9th of February this year. So it really is a startling turnaround that we've had. And rising past this prior line of resistance at 78.70 now means this is support. And the upside is to be seen on further going if we see a continuation of good news flow coming through from this and some sort of attributable profit potential out of this agreement with Amazon. For more videos from us here at IGTV, join us on Twitter at IGCom, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.